Hey everybody, you found the HillBilly Voodoo channel. You're probably thinking, what the hell am I looking at right now? This is going to be the ultimate side-by-side ATV off-road utility vehicle. And you're probably thinking, well, it's just a bunch of twisted together tube and stuff right now. Well, we've been working on this project for a while. If you're interested, go back and check out the playlist of how everything has been progressing. And for my subscribers, well, you're probably saying, what has he been working on? I don't really see any progress. Well, we got our tires almost complete here. Some of you remember that these are old super singles off of a dump truck. And to say that we tuned them would be a little bit of an understatement. I'll show you here in a second what they look like before. So today we're gonna try to finish these up so we can get this rubber onto this machine and get this machine down off of our little frame building jig type thing here and do some real work on it. Stick around, see what type of HillBilly Voodoo we got going on today. Now here's more or less what we started out with. An old bald super single off the front of, I think it was either a dump truck or a garbage truck, doesn't really matter. Fairly big tire. Beyond its DOT serviceable life, this one is probably the better of all the tires that we started out with. And you can see there's not a whole lot of tread there. So started modifying these tires, opening up the tread pattern. Now, should these tires ever be used on the highway again? No, not unless you want to die or kill somebody else. But yeah, these are not ever going to be for highway use again because they are super hacked open here. So let's keep picking away at these. This one tire here is a little better than 2/3 done. Show you how I started modifying these. And for those of you that are subscribed saying, well, that's only 4 tires. Each one of these tires has taken over 20 hours to do. Yeah, 20 hours. Now, of course, that's not me just busting my gut for 20 hours straight. I have a lot of other things going on. Heater projects, animals to take care of, houses to take care of, you know, the usual stuff. Now, this is a shout out to all you other YouTubers out there grinding away every day, doing your daily job and all your other stuff, and then coming home and doing YouTube videos for all of us sitting around watching. You guys are awesome. Keep it up. I know how hard it is to produce a video every week. Sometimes you lose momentum and sometimes you're just like, why the hell am I doing this for what YouTube is giving me? And there's a lot of you out there that aren't even getting anything from YouTube and you're still doing it. You guys rock. Keep it up. And yeah, so let's get on to doing a little bit more work on here, and maybe if you guys could hit that subscribe button and help me out, that would be great. And if not, well, that's just the way it is, I guess. Okay, let's stop yapping and let's start working. Now, when I started hacking away at these tires, I kind of decided that I wanted sort of the tread pattern of an old Gumbo Mutter and a BFG mud terrain, kind of sort of mixed together. So here's a little bit better look at what the tire has turned out like. I don't know if it's much of either, but kind of both the same. Did that make sense? That totally made sense. Okay, so let's start hacking away here. What am I using to do this with? Well, pretty much my little vibratey, quarty crafting tool here with the scraper blade on it, sharpened up fairly sharp. And I'm marking out each little tread lug as I go. I'm trying to keep them all fairly the same. So let's start chopping away here, see how far we get today. Like I say, 20 hours a tire. So yeah, your hands start vibrating pretty good. Now I'm sure everybody's saying, well, why don't you use a tire groover? Why don't you use it? Because this is what I have. I have a tire groover, but it's got a really, really narrow head, really narrow blade, and it's really old and doesn't work very good. So this is what I got. This is what's working the best. Blah, blah, blah. Who cares? Use what you got to make what you want. If you want to go out and spend a whole bunch of money on a tire groover, then just go and buy yourself some tires. Yeah, But anyways, that's not part of the point. Let's get on here and I'll show you what I'm doing. Okay, can you guys sort of kind of see what I'm doing here? We got our tread marked out here, a little block that we're going to cut out. And I'm going to run my little crafty saw, slice that block so that it's free from the rest of the tire, and then we're going to peel that piece back. Now, each one of these tires I've removed almost 40 pounds of rubber off of, so they're substantially lighter than what they were. But yeah, that being said, they're hacked. So Well, now that we got the last of our chunks of rubber cut out of the side here, we're gonna switch over to our rotary groover, cut out the inside tread here, open it up a little bit more. We're not gonna go as deep as the side here, and then we'll start cutting across. This is remarkably similar to the same motions as shearing a sheep. Not that you guys have ever sheared a sheep, or maybe some of you have, but whatever. Really remarkably similar, but I don't really have to worry about getting kicked in the face, so it's kind of a good thing. Speaking of shearing sheep. Anyways, let's get the rotary groover out here. Wherever we got it. Yeah, and of course, no battery on it. So I'll go and find a battery and we'll see what we can do with this. Well, there you go, guys. Got the last tire chewed out. What you guys saw in probably, I don't know, what, 15 minutes or whatever on video was actually about 5 hours. So, yeah, a lot of work involved in each one of these tires. Now, I was going to mount these on our machine this week on this video, but guess what? My back hurts and I'm tired and I don't really want to play anymore. So, hopefully this provided you with some entertainment this week so you didn't have to watch any more of that, whatever that crap is that they're calling entertainment, all that AI stuff and all that, you know what I'm talking about. So, will I be putting these on this week? Well, maybe, but maybe I'll be working on that this week. And if I don't work on that, well, maybe I'll work on this week. Or one of the many, many other projects that we have going on HillBilly Voodoo. So if you're looking for some entertainment, Maybe hit that subscribe button. Like I say, it's a little bit of something for everybody. So until next time, guys, use what you got to make what you want, and I'll see you later.